this is Luz-Aguilar, and I'm going to present my final lesson plan design and do a self-evaluation. So, because my final lesson plan was comprehensible input oriented, I decided to do very authentic material for the activity. And for this, I also used a children's cartoon called The Moomins. And it was mostly vocabulary oriented, which also um, enables us to understand why the input of rich vocabulary helps us give more natural, more authentic input to the child. So for this, they will be exposed to certain kinds of activities and certain kinds of vocabulary that will enrich their future repertoire. And the decisions while making the activities, I had to keep the activities, although grounded in comprehensible input, it had to be mostly organic. It shouldn't be stressed or pushed over, and it shouldn't be a just one-time thing. It has to be relied on authentic material and authentic theory, because we shouldn't push very teaching oriented materials too much, because the students will feel and label it as educational and henceforth in a way sometimes avoid and not enjoy to do some kinds of activities like this. And yeah, so that's why I decided to make it about cartoons and to put a lot of descriptive adjectives, which is not very taught in normal academic language teaching, but in a way I wanted to do this because I feel like it's very useful and will serve a purpose in the near future for the children. Now for my self-evaluation, it will be quick. So, my learning in this course and insight of activities. I felt like during this course I learned quite a lot, and it reinforced what I had learned in previous classes like methodology and language systems, and it helped me build a foundation of how I will be able to teach children in the future. I see things differently and more clearly after studying this course because some concepts were a bit more clear than I had learned in previous classes, and mostly because, especially now that I'm actually teaching children, and I've been able to put some of these abilities and approaches into use. And the most influential scholar had been actually Krashen with his language acquisition theory. I feel like it's immensely important and actually helpful for my future development. And I think that is all. Thank you.